Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Vi account must include 5G or unlimited 5G entitlement, and your device must support the right 5G bands. Once done, insert the Vi SIM and reboot the phone to ensure the network picks up changes. Make sure mobile data and preferred network type are set to 5G in settings. While you wait for network registration, check for carrier updates or a Vi profile push. These often finalize 5G provisioning automatically. Next, you configure the network and APN so data flows on 5G. Go to Mobile Networks and choose 5G or 5G/4G auto. If available, try 5G only briefly to force a connection. Then open APN settings and verify it reads Internet. Vodafone. In with APN type default, Supple, save and select it. Also disable any battery or data saver that restricts background network access. If you use an eSIM, ensure the Vi profile is. Finally, you validate the setup and handle common failures. Look for the 5G icon and run a speed test to confirm performance. Slower speeds may indicate a 5G NSA fallback. If 5G doesn't appear, toggle airplane mode, reboot, or reinsert the SIM to force a reattach. Make sure your MA is registered and not barred. If problems persist, call Vi support and provide your MA, SIM number, and account details so they can push provisioning or check local tower coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.